Is it done yet?
Yeah. Look at this steam coming out from here.
Ghetto ass thing.
Alright, so this is our experiment.
See if it'll turn to ice when you throw it in the air. That I don't believe, but Justin does, so. Let's look it up. If it doesn't work, it's gonna be gay.
Oh!
That didn't turn the fucking ice.
Watch it, snow. Sort of.
No! You fucking idiot.
See? The steam. Oh,
That's steam, you fuck.
Damn.
What? Is it ice or is it supposed to turn to snow?
Snow.
So what higher?
See, kind
That's just steam, no? Yeah, it's just steam.
God damn it. Doesn't close it anymore.